Let's go over the symptoms of a bad clutch release bearing. The first symptom you might be experiencing is strange noises when you depress the clutch pedal. This is usually the most common and earliest warning sign. The rollers inside the bearing are designed to be tightly spaced with very small tolerances. Over time, as the bearing wears down, those tolerances increase, small amounts of material wear away, and the rollers no longer spin as smoothly as they should. As a result, you may start hearing whirling, growling, squealing, grinding, or rattling noises when you press the clutch pedal. The sound will typically seem like it's coming from the transmission area. In most cases, the noise becomes loudest when the clutch pedal is fully depressed, and it disappears once you release your foot from the pedal. That's because the bearing is only under load when the clutch is engaged. The second symptom you might notice is shifting issues. Shifting between gears in a healthy manual transmission should feel smooth and resistance-free. If the throwout bearing is worn or failing, it may not fully press against the pressure plate fingers. This means the clutch might not completely disengage from the flywheel. When that happens, you may experience difficulty shifting gears or even hear grinding while trying to shift. However, this usually comes after the noise symptoms. In most cases, the strange sounds appear first before the shifting problems become noticeable. The third symptom is a clutch pedal that feels stiff or harder to press. The clutch release bearing, like many moving parts in the transmission system, relies on proper lubrication to operate smoothly. As the bearing ages, its lubricating properties break down. Friction increases inside the bearing, which makes it more difficult to move. As a result, pressing down on the clutch pedal may require more effort than usual. The more worn the bearing becomes, the harder it may feel to depress the pedal. If it gets severe enough, you may not be able to disengage the clutch properly, which means you won't be able to shift gears at all. The fourth symptom you might experience is clutch pedal vibrations. Normally, when you press the clutch pedal, it should move down smoothly and evenly. If you begin to feel vibrations or pulsations in the pedal, it could indicate that the throwout bearing is no longer aligning properly with the pressure plate. When the bearing cannot maintain proper contact, it creates uneven pressure against the release fingers. This causes vibrations that travel up through the clutch fork and into the pedal. The sensation can feel similar to what you might experience with unevenly worn brake rotors, but in this case, it's coming from the clutch system. If these symptoms are ignored, the damage can spread. A failing throwout bearing can eventually cause excessive wear on the pressure plate fingers and other clutch components. That's why it's important to address the issue early, especially when you first hear unusual noises while pressing the clutch pedal. Now, let's briefly talk about replacement costs. The throwout bearing itself is not very expensive. Depending on your vehicle, the part typically costs between $30 and $100. However, the labor is where most of the expense comes from. In order to access the throwout bearing, the entire transmission must be removed. Because of that, it is usually recommended to replace the clutch at the same time. A new clutch kit can cost anywhere from $300 to $800 depending on the vehicle. If the flywheel also needs replacement, that can add another $50 to $200. Labor time for a throwout bearing and clutch replacement usually takes about 4 to 6 hours. At an average labor rate of around $85 per hour, labor alone can range from $350 to $500. Replacing just the throwout bearing may cost between $370 and $600 total, but replacing the clutch and bearing together can bring the total closer to $650 to $1,400 depending on the vehicle. So if you start hearing strange noises when pressing the clutch pedal, feeling vibrations, or experiencing difficulty shifting gears, the clutch release bearing is definitely something you'll want to inspect before the problem gets worse. I hope this video brought value to you. If it did, please do me the favor of liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.